glass of juice, a pineapple juice or musambi or orange juice. And then you start eating very gently, very slowly, like a lady. Have your chapatis, which are vegetable. Now I think I have always mentioned chapatis and rice do not go together. So if you are a rice eater, then please eat your rice in the afternoon, so that whatever excess urine formation, rice needs water and that turns into urine. And keep your chapatis for the night. Now believe me, if you are chewing your food so well, you will not be able to eat more than 2, and if you are doing manual labor, 3 chapatis in one time. You will not be able to eat, because you are chewing it so well. Now after you have finished having your lunch, you have to give your food 20 to 30 minutes to settle down, to be digested. So after 20 minutes or 30 minutes, you have your water. Okay? No water immediately before lunch. What did you say? After 20 minutes or 30 minutes, which means half an hour, you have your water. And I'm not saying have just a glass, you can have a bucket. No problem. You can... Don't talk about other people. I'm standing here telling you 30 minutes. If they tell you 1 hour, will you actually wait for 1 hour? I don't think so. No. Minimum, wait for 20 minutes. It takes half an hour for whatever you are eating to go into the digestive system. If you wait for 1 hour, very good, then it's into the kidneys. It's going to be excreted out. So by drinking water, you are throwing it out of the body immediately. But 20 minutes to wait kar sakte ho na? Very good. Any
What's the problem with having one chapati and some rice for lunch?
I'll tell you, and along with this, I'll tell you that your fruits that you eat should be eaten either half an hour before your meals or half an hour after your meals. Can anybody answer that? Not you.
Because if you are saying before meal half an hour,
You drink your water and then have your fruits, whatever you're eating. Can anybody tell me why fruits and food should not be eaten together?
It's so light, I think. Just so light, like digest. Digest faster.
हाँ, वो लास्ट वाला सही था. वो लाइट के बारे में नहीं मालूम, वो डाइजेस्ट फास्टर वो सही था. Anyway, I appreciate his colorful language. Fruits have got a different timing of being digested. They are digested faster than your cereals that you are eating. Whether it's your rice or your chapatis or your dals or whatever. So please do not eat together, because then what happens, you confuse your digestive system. Many times you will find that the fruit is coming out just by itself. It has not been digested. So give it its own digestive time. Juices will be digested faster. But for healthy young people, healthy elderly people, a whole cut fruit with the skin, whichever fruit you can eat. Last time somebody called me up and said, "Ma'am, the orange का छिलका बहुत कड़वा है." मैंने कभी नहीं बोला कि ऑरेंज को छिलके के साथ खाओ. You were there for my diet section. Did I say that? I could not say anything. I just burst out laughing. I said, but मैंने नहीं बोला है.
चटनी है नहीं.
हाँ. You must have told her that. इसका चटनी बना के खाओ. Please, only those fruits whose skin you can eat comfortably, wash nicely and eat. Do you know that you can eat the skin of a banana also?
Yes.
Very healthy. Wash the complete banana properly, cut the two sides and eat. He must have told her. So she ate musambi. Any other fruit which you think? Abhi mat bolo, if she comes today again she'll point finger at you. So, by taking out the fruits, the skin from the fruits that we eat, like your apple, your chiku, your grapes, pear. Grapes का skin निकाल के कौन खाता है? हाँ? I told her, I said, you must be very hard working. Because वो एक एक skin, तो वो grape है किधर? You see, sometimes what happened, communication gap हो जाता है lectures में. If she had phoned me and asked me, I would have told her, you can go ahead with the pomegranate. Pomegranate seeds don't have any skin, so you can eat it just like that. Banana you can eat like that. Chiku you can eat like that. Anjeer you can eat like, but only wash it properly. I know a lot of people who come from the villages. When I sit at the Tata Memorial, I see them eating mangoes with the skin. But do you know, if you wash the mango properly and eat with the skin, you will never get any skin disease. And this I learned because I was watching that elderly man eat with the skin. And I said, I know the reason, let me see if he knows the reason. So I went and sat down next to him. And I started talking to him, and then he told me this. And I tried it out on another patient at Tata Memorial who had skin problem, cancer के साथ में. So I told him, uncle, आप उनको क्यों नहीं बताते? So he not only explained but gave him mangoes also. And next time when I went, he said, बहुत फर्क पड़ा. Just by eating the skin of the mango. So nature has given us the medicines. And we have given us all the diseases that are there in the world, all man, we have given it to ourselves. So your food habits can help you to relieve yourself of many, many problems. All your stomach problems can be relieved through your food habits, your drinking of your juices. Juices, I never ask parents to give their children juices. Juices are so easily digested that there is no form of fiber in it, and the child has the juice and 20 minutes or 15 minutes later he's gone in the bathroom. He comes out and he's feeling very dehydrated. Why don't you give the child a fruit? Cut it and give it. Eat it. It's so much better. So we agree that you all will have your water after 20 to half an hour, after lunch, any major meal. Other they'll say you said lunch, not dinner. Your breakfast, lunch and dinner, 20 to 30 minutes after you finished having, you've got out of the table, go and gargle your mouth or brush your major meals, you brush your teeth. After half an hour you have as much as water as you want, but very gently sip the water, don't gulp it down. I used to feel very funny when my mother or my dadi used to tell me, सर के ऊपर हाथ रख और कुर्सी पे बैठ के पानी पी. I said, सर के ऊपर हाथ रख और कुर्सी के ऊपर? I mean, why? I haven't been taught this. She said, तू स्विट्जरलैंड गई थी ना, इसलिए तेरे को नहीं सिखाए. Because as soon as you have water, any form, it could be ice cold, it could be room temperature, any temperature of water, as soon as you start to drink, the temperature of your body starts to change. That is why you require to have, yes. Okay? So even water, and sip it very gently. Sit. And if you are having water, like dhada dhada like they say, you put your head over your brain, your hand, and you will actually feel the drinking of the water. you will actually feel that you are drinking water very fast. And chew your water well.